And just a simple and fast review of the C2 Joy nylon loop watch band, compatible with the Garmin S20 is what I have, but I believe it's compatible with a couple others. It's also compatible with the S5 and S6, and as you can see, it's a stretch loop. And so depending on wrist size, what you're going to do is just tighten that up. So you'll see it would just, for tight finger or tight wrists, stretch, and then again to make it work there, what you're going to do is just keep fixing it until it's flat, and then you should be all right. So the main part of this is the approaches have different type of or the Garmins, I should say, specifically have a different type of band that you're going to need to adjust, and so this tool will come and help you to do that. So let's show you how that works. First, you just need to open it up a little bit, and then what we're going to do is just attach it to that little space there, and try and get it in both positions. It's hard to do trying to do this on camera, so bear with me. And then we're just gonna, once it's in, that's when we're gonna unscrew this. And you should start to see this coming out. This may take a little while. There's one piece coming out, and then the rest of this thing should come through. And so to put this on, depending on how you want it, just figure out which side you want the the double strap to be on. And so what you'll do is just put this in the right position, and then you're gonna just slide this through again. And then once you've got it in, you're gonna then find the little piece here and try and screw that in. Again, maybe need to take your time with this, and once you've got the screw in, you're again then just going to tighten this up. And so you'll just tighten, and it should stop when it's in a good position. And just do the same with the other side. So once you're all set up there, this should be relatively easy to put on and off scenario. So much nicer, for me at least, than trying to find the right position with all these holes. I prefer to just be able to slide it on, slide it off just like that. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.